Let us learn the word nomination. Nomination is a noun. Nomination refers to the act of proposing or recommending someone for a position or honor. For example, if you are running for a political office, you might ask someone to nominate you for the position. Or, if you are being considered for an award, you might be nominated by a panel of judges or other experts in your field. Nomination can also be used to refer to the person who has been proposed or recommended for a position or honor. For example, you might say, she was nominated for the award by her peers, recognizing her contributions to the field. This means that she was proposed to or recommended for the award by other people in her field. Here are a few examples of how the word nomination can be used in different sentences. He was nominated for the award by a panel of experts, recognizing his contributions to the field. She was nominated for political office by her party, hoping to win the support of voters. The movie was nominated for several awards, including Best Picture and Best Director. He was nominated to the board of directors by the company's CEO, recognizing his expertise and leadership. She was nominated for the teaching award by her colleagues, recognizing her dedication and excellence in the classroom. On Leo's death, there were two main candidates for nomination as his replacement. Synonyms of the word nomination are recommendation and appointment. Antonyms of the word nomination are disqualification and rejection.